In our journey through life, many of us grow up believing one simple idea: if we work hard enough, success will surely follow. We are taught that effort alone is the key that opens every door. But have you ever paused to think that hard work by itself may not always be enough? Along with effort, wisdom and awareness are equally important. Think of a lamp that stays lit day and night. Because it is always shining, people slowly stop noticing it. They assume it will always be there. But the moment that lamp suddenly goes out, everyone realizes how important it truly was. Only then do they understand how much they depended on it. In many ways, our lives are just like that lamp. If we fail to help others recognize our value and contribution in the right manner, there may come a day when someone else takes our place, simply because we appeared invisible or replaceable. Today's story teaches us a powerful lesson about balance, self-worth, and understanding our true importance without losing stability. Long ago, there was a young man who worked in a factory. He was sincere, disciplined, and eager to learn. In that same factory worked an elderly craftsman, a man with years of experience and deep understanding of both work and life. The young worker admired him greatly and considered him his mentor. One day, the old craftsman shared an important piece of advice with the young man. He said, "Focus deeply on your work. Don't waste your energy on unnecessary talk. Master every skill required in this factory. Make yourself so capable that replacing you becomes impossible." The young man took these words to heart. Years passed, and he followed his mentor's advice faithfully. He worked silently, stayed focused, and slowly became skilled in every department of the factory. After 10 years, when the elderly craftsman finally retired, the young man was chosen to take his position. His dedication and talent had earned him that role. Even after his promotion, the young man continued to work with the same discipline. He believed that commitment and excellence were enough to secure his future. One day, he decided to visit his old mentor. The elderly man welcomed him warmly, but soon noticed that his former student looked troubled. Sensing something was wrong, he asked gently, "You seem disturbed. Is something bothering you?" The young man sighed deeply and said, "I followed everything you taught me. I work with full concentration. I don't waste time. I know that no one in the factory matches my skills. I've made myself capable in every task." He paused, then added with frustration, "But despite all this, people who aren't even half as skilled as I am have been promoted. Their salaries keep increasing, while mine remains almost the same as when I was your assistant. I don't understand why." The elderly craftsman listened carefully. After a moment of silence, he asked a simple but powerful question. "Do you truly believe you are very important to that factory?" The young man answered without hesitation, "Yes, I am." The old man nodded thoughtfully and said, "Then I want you to do one thing. Take a day off tomorrow. Give any excuse you like. You've worked hard, you deserve some rest." The young man was surprised. He had never taken unnecessary leave before. Still, he trusted his mentor's wisdom. He thanked him and applied for a day off immediately. The next day, after returning to work, the manager called him into the office. The manager said, "Your absence caused many difficulties. The problems you solve effortlessly every day could not be handled properly by others." Realizing the young man's true value, the manager promoted him to senior technician and praised his dedication. The young worker felt grateful and proud. He believed he had finally understood the secret of success. From that moment onward, whenever he felt underappreciated or thought he wasn't receiving the respect or rewards he deserved, he would take a day off, and each time he returned, things seemed to improve in his favor. Promotions, appreciation, and recognition followed. This continued for several months. Then one day, something unexpected happened. When he arrived at the factory, the security stopped him at the gate. He was told he was no longer allowed to enter. Confused and shocked, he soon learned the truth. He no longer had a job. He had been replaced. The young man was devastated. Filled with hurt and disbelief, he rushed to his old mentor. With a trembling voice and wounded pride, he asked, "Why did this happen to me? I followed your advice exactly. Why did I lose my job?" The elderly craftsman looked at him with calm eyes and gently shook his head. "You understood only half of what I tried to teach you," he said. "You missed the most important part." The young man was stunned. "Only half? What do you mean?" The old man continued, "You learned that when a lamp stays on all the time, people stop noticing it. Only when it goes out do they realize its importance. That lesson is true." He paused, then added, "But there is another part, one that matters even more. If a lamp keeps going out again and again, people will eventually replace it with a better one. No one wants something they cannot depend on." Those words struck the young man deeply. The craftsman explained, "Your mistake was thinking that disappearing repeatedly would always increase your value. Instead, it made you unreliable. Importance must be felt, but reliability must never be broken." This lesson applies to our lives as well. Often, we take our family members and friends for granted because they are always there for us. We assume their presence is permanent. But if one day they are no longer there, only then do we realize their true worth. By then, it may be too late. That doesn't mean we should disappear from their lives to prove our importance. Nor does it mean we should stop doing our duties just to demand recognition. True wisdom lies in balance. Continue doing your work sincerely. Let people feel your value naturally without creating absence again and again. Be dependable, consistent, and aware of your worth. When effort and wisdom walk together, life rewards us with stability, respect, and peace, and that is the real secret of success.